Welcome to 313 Route 102 in Burton. This gorgeous custom two-story on 5 acres is minutes to the town of Oromocto and has so much to offer. Let's check it out. Inside of this beautiful home is a great layout and one-level living. Let's check out the beautiful kitchen. Off the kitchen, you'll find access to the attached 2-car garage, laundry, and half bath. The main living area is spacious. There's a living room with vaulted ceilings, a sitting room, and the highlight of this area is the sun porch. If you're not in the sun porch, you'll be enjoying the back deck and the pool. From here, you also have access to the detached oversized garage, sheds, and a gazebo. The main floor primary bedroom offers 2 walk-in closets and a gorgeous ensuite bathroom. Upstairs are 2 more bedrooms, a den, and another full bathroom. Thanks for watching.